Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video we will see the concept of slicing in tuple. So let's get started. Here x equal to tuple of 14, 37, 76 elements. These are the tuple of elements which are assigned to the variable x. Now we will see the concept of slicing. First we will print tuple. Okay, here x of 2 colon in the square braces we have to give. This is the slicing syntax. So here starting value is 2 colon, ending value is till the end. Now we can also write like this: x of colon 1. Here starting value is 0, means it will start from the 0th index till the 1. In this way we need to do the slicing in the tuple. What I mean to say is, in slicing, we can get the elements from starting index to last index, or from second index to last index, or from first index to till desired index, like 1, 2, desired index. Here 14, comma 37, comma 76 means here 0, 1, 2 will give some more elements. Yeah, like this till 0th index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth index till we have fifth index values. So we can write like this: from starting index colon ending index, from where to where we want values, that is called slicing. Like I want to print from 0 to 4, or else from 0 to 3, or else from 2 to 4. Like this, we can print the elements by using slicing. Now click on save, click on save as. Now you can give any name. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py, so file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved, and also we got one Python file here. Now we need to save the now we need to execute the Python file by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd and type cd space desktop. This is the path. Enter dictionary slic.py. This is the file which we have saved just now. Click enter. See, we got the values. Save the, copy the output and paste here. Now we will see the code. This line of code is used to represent the tuple of values, which is containing 14, 37, 76, 34, 56, 12 as the values, and we are printing the tuple. So we got the output as tuple of elements. Then next, this is the concept of slicing. We will see that. Print of x 2 colon means it is printing from the index 2 to the last. Means here 0th index 1, 2. So at the 2 index, we have the value 76. So it is printing 76, 34 till the end. So 12 it is printing till the end. Now in this statement, x of colon 1 means from the starting index to the 1. Here 1 will be excluded. If we give here 2, then it will print till 37, because it will print till 2, means it will exclude the last value. Now we will see this output. Again go to the command prompt and type file name .py, enter. See, we got 37 value. Copy this and paste here. See, here 0, from here we didn't give any value, so it will start from 0th index till the index 2. Here 2 index will be excluded, one last value will be excluded, so from 0 to 1 it will print 0th index, 1th index, like 14, 37 printed. This is the concept of slicing. From which value to which value index to which value index, we need to print the values in the tuple. So we need to use slicing concept like this. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. We will see more complex programs in future videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.